Hey you guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you are new here or if you're not, I am Ashley K and I specialize in videos on lifestyle, money, but most importantly, I show you guys how to live your best budget friendly life. If that's something you are interested in, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on my socials. If you are not, what are you doing? Okay, it will be linked somewhere in this video. Okay, so go ahead, follow me on Instagram. Okay, like, why are you not doing that already? But yes, make sure you are following me on Instagram, and yeah, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Like this video up if you like content like this, and definitely comment below if you guys want to see me review any apps or talk about anything. Definitely leave a comment below. And in today's video, I decided to do something a little bit different, and it's going to be a weekly updates video. Okay, you guys, so this video is going to be compiled, or many of my other videos that will be in this segment. I actually got inspired to do this segment on my channel by most of you guys from asking the questions and everything. So what this basically is going to be is a closer look of apps or websites that we have mentioned before in videos in the past. We are going to be taking a closer look in the weekly updates video. Okay, you guys, and if there's anything, so this is going to be talking about apps that we have talked about in the past and figuring out how we can squeeze some more money out of those apps. Okay, so we are going to be taking closer looks of these applications. This will also be a video on weekly video on what apps are hot right now and what people are talking about and are making people some serious money. We are going to be discussing more about Fiverr. Okay, and we're going to try to figure out ways to make more money on Fiverr and figure out what people are talking about right now on Fiverr and what gigs are making them the most money right now. There are going to be gigs that our people are doing right now that are making them the most money per gig. Okay, you guys, I have talked about Fiverr before in a video in the past. I will be linking that in the description bar in the cards above, so you guys can check that video out. But if you don't know what Fiverr is a website where people can post gigs that or services that they offer online in exchange to get money per gig. Okay, you guys, so it's basically like a sales website. A lot of people are on there selling gigs and doing graphic design. You can do anywhere from graphic design. A lot of people were selling foot pictures and making money off of that, fitness pictures. Fiverr basically is a service where you can basically sell anything and everything, any type of skill that you have. You can sell that on Fiverr and make some serious money. But in today's video, we are going to go more in depth in Fiverr and actually figure out what gigs are making people the most money right now and why you should be signed up for Fiverr. These gigs, you guys, are going to literally take you about 5 minutes to do, and you can download app for free and go ahead and create these gigs and sell them to people for about 25 bucks a pop. Just recently I paid someone to do a gig, and it was about 25 bucks to do the gig, and then I figured out how I can do it for free for myself. So I was out of 25 bucks, you guys, but you can't knock their hustle. They're making some serious money, so I want to go ahead and bring you guys in and show you guys how we can make some money on this channel just for doing things that we can do for free. You don't have to download any software or be like sufficient in any type of graphic software. A lot of these apps and a lot of these websites I'm going to be mentioning and showing you guys actually how to do these things step by step are for free. Okay, you guys, like, these apps are available in the Apple Store for free, Google Play Store for free. You can do these gigs and just turn it out to people and charge people 25 bucks a pop. And in today's video, this will actually be a giveaway video. Okay, you guys, this is actually going to be my first giveaway video on this channel. Okay, so one lucky winner that is watching this video, okay, hi, hello, you will be gifted with a cash prize, and you will be gifted via PayPal. Okay, now this ain't gonna be no $1 million. Okay, so don't come for me to comment, oh, blah blah blah. Okay, this will be a nice little cash, you know, giveaway just to thank you guys for subscribing to the channel and even watching the kid. I can't even believe it even to this day. Okay, but yes, okay, this will be a nice little thank you to whoever is watching this video. I just want to give back to you guys and show you guys how much I appreciate every single one of y'all, and there will be much more giveaways like this as we grow in the near future. So definitely subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on other giveaways if you don't win this one. So now that we got that out the way, let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna get into the screen recording part of this video so I can actually show you guys step by step how to do every single one of these tips. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Hey y'all, so we are now in the screen recording section. So the first gig that I want to show you guys that is really popular on Fiverr is t-shirt design. So this app is actually called O Shirt. So it's absolutely free to download, and as you guys can see, once you download it, it takes you to a gallery, and this is other people's works and designs that they have created. And as you guys can see, they're really super simple and like close to like really easy to do. So you want to go ahead and choose the t-shirt you want to do your design on. They do have the prices on them, but that's only if you're sending your t-shirt to production, which you won't be doing that. So what you'll be doing is just saving your file to your computer and sending it to your Fiverr customer. So you want to just go ahead and just pick any t-shirt that works for you, put your design on it. And as you guys can see, I chose something really super simple to do, just a subscribe button, put it on the t-shirt, and it's really easy and simple to do. As you guys can see on Fiverr, you can see the different designs that they have on here. They have a lot of graphic designs, and these are really easy and simple to do. A lot of them are really simple and a lot of them are complex, but honestly, they're really easy to do. All you have to do is basically just get like a cartoon app, which I will be showing you how to do. And once you have that file saved, you can go ahead and put that on your t-shirt. So really super simple, and all these apps are absolutely free to use these effects. So all you have to do is just figure out what your design will be and pretty much just apply it on your t-shirt and then send it over to your Fiverr customer. And then you can kind of do 2 designs if you want to and give them options to pick from, but they're also really easy to do. So as you guys can see, the prices range from about like $5, $15, $25, $30. It's up to you on how much you want to charge, but pretty much they're super simple to do. So the next app that I want to show you guys is doing a cartoon portrait. So this goes hand in hand with the effect I just showed you. Like this is creating the little anime effects, and you can apply this and put this on a t-shirt. And as you guys can see, people are selling these portraits for about upwards to $5, $10, $15. It really depends on how much you want to charge, but there's an actual market for this, you guys. And like I'm gonna show you guys, there's an app that can actually create these portraits, and then all you have to do is just create them, download them to your computer or your device, and then send it to your Fiverr customer. So these are just the different styles that people are selling on here. But it's a really big market for this, you guys, which is so funny because I actually paid somebody $30 to do one for me. So this app is called Tune Me. And as you guys can see, once you download the app, it brings you straight to the gallery. These are some people's, like some different customers' artworks that they have created. And as you guys can see, people get really creative with this app. You can basically do a whole bunch of things on this app. So you want to go ahead and upload the photo you want to choose. And excuse my face in this photo, you guys. I had a facial and my face is purging. So we're just going to use this for test purposes. And if you are of the darker complexion, this app does you really, really dirty. I don't know why the effects look like this, but you kind of have to just work around it and pretty much just create a better option that can work for your photo. Because honestly, if you do have darker skin, I don't know why it makes you look so weird. As you guys can see, like it's so weird. It ripped the whole side of my hair on one end. Like I don't know what this app is doing, but you basically have to get creative and use the best effect that works for you. As you guys can see, I finally found an effect that really looks well, and this looks really good. If you want to go ahead and use this app, you can also change the background as well too. You can play around with the different effects. This app is really creative, and there is no bar on how creative you can get. You can use a lot of their features too, but you do have to pay for like the other more complex features. So this is just a basic feature, and it's really, really good for a basic feature. So you want to go ahead and just, create different designs, different options for this, and then you want to kind of create at least like 3 options. So when you go ahead and sell them to your customers, you give them 3 options to pick from. So they don't feel like, okay, you just created one option. You want to give them a couple of options to pick from, and then that way it would give them more of a variety, and then they can work with that. So as you guys can see, it has the logo on the side. It's really easy to get rid of that logo without paying. All you have to do is just screenshot the photo and then crop it out. and then you don't have to worry about the logo being down in the side. And the next app I wanted to show you guys is creating a marketing video. This is really super simple to create, and you could charge a lot of money for these. A lot of people charge like $55, $20, $15 just to make like a social media marketing video. You can charge a lot of money for this, like how this video is playing on the side. Really super simple to create and really easy to do, and it will literally take you less than 5 minutes. And this, you can charge about like $10-15 for this per gig. So I think this is really awesome, because some companies, like startup companies, they don't know how to create like marketing videos to put on their websites or social medias. So that's where you would come in and create a little marketing video, a little 2-minute, 1-minute clip type of thing, and then you can basically sell it on Fiverr for double how much you even spent to even use this app, or even for free. You created it for free and you could mark it up and make some money on top of that. So I think that is really cool. The app that we're going to use for this is called Majestico. It's powered by Venmo, but it's called Majestico. So all you want to do is when you open up the app, you want to select photos that you want to use, and then you choose the theme that you want your photo or video to look like. These are the themes that they have. They have a bunch of different themes you can pick from. So you want to go ahead and pick which one works with your theme. You want to pick some music as well too. They even give you free music to pick from, which I think is super awesome. And it's cruelty-free, royalty-free music. You want to go ahead and name your video. So I just named my YouTube test because this is a test. So you just want to go ahead and create the video name. And then you want to hit the create button and it will create your video. And this is actually one of the videos that I created on my own, which looks really, really good. I used their stock photos, but you can also get photos like these from like Google, Instagram, whatever. Just screenshot and then pretty much put it in your video. And it allows you to add little captions on the side, like how I did here. And as you guys can see, this looks professional and like professionally made and done. All you have to do is just save this to your computer and sell it right back to your customers, you guys. Okay, so really super simple, really easy. I did this for the free, and you could just pretty much charge people to create this. So if you have made it to the giveaway section, now like I said in the video in the beginning, this won't be $1 million and you won't be a millionaire overnight. I'm not even a millionaire overnight, okay, you guys? So this is important to be realistic. The steps will be super simple. All you have to do is basically be subscribed to this channel and like this video. Okay, so that's the first step. Be subscribed to the channel. You have to be a subscriber to the channel and you have to like this video. That's the first step. The next step is that you have to follow me on Instagram. Now it will be somewhere in the screen. It will also be linked in the description bar as well too, along with all the other steps and how to enter this giveaway. And the last and final step is you have to leave a positive comment or affirmation, something positive that everybody could use to hear right now. Whatever it comes to mind, put it down in the description bar in the comments below. We can all stand to use some positive vibes right now, and this will help to share positive vibes on this channel. And it will help when people are reading these comments just to kind of feel good. Maybe somebody's having a bad day, stumbled upon this video and wanted to hear something nice. That's where you will come in, okay? So leave a positive comment or affirmation, whatever is helping you get by in these crazy times. I think it's important that we spread love and light, everything we got going on in this world. We need a little bit of positivity, so definitely leave a positive affirmation or a comment down below. So 3 simple steps, really easy. I will be picking the best comment in the comment section, and that person will be earning a cash prize. With the best comment that I will pick, I will be contacting you via PayPal. That's where you will receive your cash prize. So in your positive comment, be sure to leave your PayPal handle so I could go ahead and reach out to you guys. You guys have tons of time to think about what you want to write. Make it original, make it something nice. Just put something nice out there. We can all benefit from your nice comments and your positive vibes, because that's what we are all about on this channel. Good luck to everyone. Okay, you guys, that's all I have for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.